This is here the Meross smart light switch. The time of making this video it was $16.99 from Amazon. It connects to 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Unfortunately 5 GHz is not supported. It can control up to 400 watt regular incandescent or up to 150 watts LEDs. For the phone app you will need iOS 9 or Android 4.1 as a minimum. It supports both Alexa and Google Assistant. Inside the box there is a QR code for the manual, also a shorter printed one which shows you what to do. This is the switch itself. I like the screwless design, nice big switch, small LED light, easy to find in the dark. Also in the box some stickers for your wires if you need it, and a bag of screws. Screws are useless in the UK, and being cheap ones makes them useless anywhere else as well. To pop the case open you will need a flat screwdriver. The PCB comes off pretty easy, not sure if this meant to happen. This model will require a natural wire. Before you buy, you should check if you have neutral wire available in the box. In old houses it's common to have only the live wire available. As you can see I have both ground and natural in the box. Before you unscrew the wires, for safety turn off the breaker, also label the cables if needed. Connect the wires and pull them gently to test if they are secure. For this switch you will need a 35mm deep box as a minimum. As you can see I can fit it in because the amount of wires are here. So I'm going to make a hole in the box so the wires can extend outside. Screw it in place and pop on the front panel. Turn the breaker back on and you should see the light flashing green and yellow. It's ready to configure. You will need to download the app, register an account and set up the device with your Wi-Fi network. Pretty straightforward process. In the app you can configure when the light turn on or off. Pretty cool if you install the switch for an outside lamp for example. Adding your account to Google Assistant is very simple as well. Then you can control it with your voice. Overall, for £17 I think it's worth it.